Good morning, class. I hope you're all ready for another exciting day of English grammar. Today, we're going to tackle the past simple tense, which can sometimes be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we'll work through it together. Now, let's see if we have any questions before we dive in.
Actually, Ms. Thompson, I'm having a bit of trouble understanding the past simple tense. I get confused with all the different verb forms. Could you please help me?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. The past simple tense is used to talk about completed actions in the past. It's formed by adding ed to regular verbs, like walked or talked. However, there are irregular verbs that don't follow this pattern. For example, go becomes went in the past tense. Do you follow so far?
I think I understand the basic idea, but I get confused when I have to use it in sentences.
That's completely understandable. Let's try an exercise to practice. Can you tell me what you did yesterday?
Well, yesterday after school, I played basketball with my friends.
Great. So, in this case, played is the past simple form of the verb play. You use it because the action happened and was completed in the past. Can you think of any other examples?
Let me think. Oh, I watched a movie last night.
Perfect. Watched is the past simple form of watch. You're doing great. Remember, with regular verbs, we simply add ed to the base form to create the past simple tense. But with irregular verbs, like watch or go, the past simple form is unique and needs to be memorized.
Okay, I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. But what about negative sentences or questions?
Good question. In negative sentences, we use the auxiliary verb did and add not after it. For example, I did not play basketball. In questions, we also use the auxiliary verb did, but this time, it comes before the subject. For instance, did you watch a movie? So, did helps us create the past simple tense in these cases.
That clears things up a bit. But what about time expressions? How do we know when to use the past simple tense?
Excellent point. Time expressions can be very helpful in determining which tense to use. Phrases like yesterday, last week, or 2 years ago indicate actions that occurred in the past. So, when you see these expressions, it's a good indication to use the past simple tense. For example, I went to the beach last summer.
I see now. Time expressions can act as a clue for the past tense. That makes sense.
Exactly. You're making great progress, and I'm proud of you for sticking with it. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the past simple tense, the more natural it will become for you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Thompson. Your explanations have been really helpful. I feel more confident now.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. Remember, don't hesitate to ask if you have any more questions. We're here to support each other in our learning journey. Keep up the great work.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.